Hi everyone. This is part 3 of the Inchies, and I hope that you can see them all right. They're just an inch tall and an inch wide. So I did a video this morning. The part 1 was a boo-boo. The second one was the best one, but I don't know how to go back in and take away the part 2 and rename it part 1 and rename this, and then I would name this one part 2. So technically this is part 2, and I'm going to explain now the little windows I made. I'm really happy with this little page. It's so cute. All the little windows have details on the outside of them that I did with a jelly roll. I don't know if you can see that jelly roll pen, number 8, and even on the heart inside this little window I also used the jelly roll pen. Also on the outside, on the border, I just doodled dots with a Sharpie pen, and in the other windows they are, this one is a flower, this one is a little boy, a person. He has little hands that go up and down. I had a lot of interruptions today, but I finally got it done. This one is the Z's, a person sleeping and sawing logs with the Z's. This one is little music notes, like someone is playing music inside of their room. This one just has the little curtains. And you may have noticed this morning that I actually did start 2 pages. This one is the first page. This one is the second page. So what I would do then with this one is I would cut it up and put it into a little baggie for the Inchies, and or a little pocket right here, so that I would have it there for a collage if I needed it. This is the Z's on this one, curtains, flower, music. They're basically the same. Another little boy. I guess the other one was a little girl maybe, I don't know. And the heart. So these are my Inchies. On 2-1 2016, I can't believe it. And so I hope you all have a great rest of the day.